Hi Chelsea, I'm gonna be attempting your paper airplane. Alright, first step, take a 8x12 piece of paper and fold them in half like a hot dog. Okay. Make sure it is vertically facing. Unfold the paper, and with it still vertically up, take the left upper corner and fold it to the center crease. Now the same for the right. Okay. Next step, take the top edge of the left side of the small pyramid and bring it to the center crease. Okay. I'm guessing it's probably like that. And then it says, repeat the process on the opposite side. Okay. Now we want to fold the paper back like a hot dog bun. Okay. On each side, starting with the left flap, you want to bring it to the base of the plane, giving it the first swing. There we go. I see it now. Yep. All right, and now launch your plane.